next topic is soil. Soil, it is very common things in our life. So the meaning of this, it is given here. According to American pedologist Dr. Bennett, there is a one word. Pedologist means it is a branch of science which study related to soil, their analysis, research and study. So it is a branch of science which study and analysis the soil. So Dr. Bennett said that soil is the uppermost layer of the unconsolidated particles found on the earth, which is made of parent rock and vegetation. So it is found on the earth surface, which is made up of parent rock and vegetation. So here for the soil formation, it is unconsolidated, means it is very dense, well arranged in the layers, and it is found on the earth surface, means top of the layer means earth crust, and which is made up of parent rock and vegetation. So we will discuss here in the formation of soil. So but you should understand it. It is the just result of parent rock and vegetation. So it is the soil, uppermost layer of the earth crust. Now it is soil is very important for human life and all living organism for their food directly or indirectly. So it is also very important for human and other living organism for their food directly or indirectly. In both way it is most important for animal rearing, agriculture and forest based industry. If we see the economical importance, so it is in this sense animal rearing, agriculture and forest based industry. So it is the definition and importance of soil. Let us see the formation of soil. Soil formation, it is not for the result of one day, but it is the result of long period from the existing of the earth. Okay, so from that day, beginning of the earth, the formation of soil started. So there is a parent rock. Parent rock means the soil from which it start making, that is parent rock. Every soil, that is the result of any rock. Okay, due to weathering, there is a process, weathering and erosion. Weathering, okay. So weathering means breaking of particles, rock particles, due to heat, due to cold, due to air, due to water. So that climatic condition, due to climatic condition, breaking of rocks, that is called weathering. So parent rock, in this sense it makes soil. Topography means that is a plain, mountain, plateaus. So in this it is also differed. Suppose that there is a sun rays coming in this side, so for soil formation it will be more here in this side in the comparison of this side, because there is a sun rays falling on directly. So topography also affect that. Suppose that in a plain area, so plain area there is a very fast soil formation, but in shadow area, it is shadow area, so there is a very less speed of soil formation. So topography also differ, means you can say that accelerate the formation of soil. Climate, I have told you, hot climate, wet climate, so it also differ. Hot climate accelerate fast the formation of soil, and wet climate it just speed up less. Okay, so it is the climatic condition. In winter season, the gap in rocks, there is a storage of dew and water. So in night time it just freeze and crack the rock more than. So in a daytime it will break due to sun rays, and night time it will break due to freezing. So continuous it break. So that is the climatic conditions. Vegetation also improve the fertility, the humus of the soil. So vegetation also differ. If there is a less vegetation, so soil quality will be less. If there are lot of vegetation, so soil quality will be also better. And time in the sense of, if it is the process of long period, so it will be fast, and if it is the less time, so it will just reduce the quality and speed up. Okay, so time also differ place to place. If we use the soil very fast, so it will reduce the quality of soil. So here next topic, that is soil profile. Soil profile, that is a, you can say that, image of soil on the earth crust up to down. So see here the definition. Soil profile is the vertical representation here in the sense of, in this vertical representation of the layers which sequence color, texture and their nature. Representation of their layers, their sequence, their color, their texture and their nature. So soil profile represent the sequence of the layers, colors of the layers, texture of the layers and the nature of the layers, which are superimposed one above the other. Okay, one by one it is the layers superimposed one after one. So we will discuss next. So it is the definition of soil profile. See here the next soil profile. So here it is the vertical section of soil layers of soil, vertical sections you can say here, but it is the means it is vertical section, but layers are in a horizontal way. So it is, there are 4 layers, A, B, C and D. Top layer means that is top soil, then second layer subsoil, third layer weathered parent rock, and fourth number that is a parent rock, and top there is on the top of there is a humus. So it is also part of soil profile. Here in the top soil including humus, there is a vegetation, means roots of vegetation, it is found here in the top of layer. Then there is a subsoil means here is also soil, humus, but in a upper part only, and lower part there is a content of rocks, that is subsoil. And here whether parents rock means the broken particles of parents rock, it is in the pieces, but there is only rock, not soil or humus. And in the last layer it is only parents rock, that is a totally rock in a very large area. There is no humus, there is no vegetation, no soil, it is only hard solid rock. So it is it is soil profile. Now see the types and distribution of soil. Types according to the formation, according to the color. See here, alluvial soil. Alluvial means loamy soil made by rivers by flood. Okay, by flood. So it is very fertile soil. It is brown in color and usually found in delta regions. So it is very fertile soils, especially for rice, and it is found in delta regions. Every delta region of every rivers, West of Bengal, South, Ganga Brahmaputra delta, okay, Godavari delta, Kaveri delta. So here it is found in every rivers delta. Then black soil, there is a origin due to volcano eruption. So it is black in color, and regular means it is also you can say that very dense soil. So it is also called cotton soil because it is very good for cotton. So it is also called cotton soil. It is found especially in Maharashtra, Gujarat, in this region. The red soil, it is red just because of iron. The color is something reddish just because of iron particles, potash, phosphorus. So in this way, and it is found in dry and wet region. Dry and wet regions. You can say that here in Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu and Maharashtra. It is good for bajra crop. Okay, and there is also made up of metamorphic rock, and there is a laterite soil next. It is also found in dry and wet climatic region just by turn. Turn is the climate condition changed and became dry and wet. So in this way it is a laterite, just the fast version of red soil. So it is a laterite soil, and here is a disintegrated of laterite soil. Disintegrated means red soil. Sorry, there is a red soil means broken particles of the red soil or formation, and it is found in West Bengal, upper part of plateau of valley of Odisha. So in this way Kerala, in this it is found in some areas. Then desert soil, according to the name it is already clear. Desert means sandy soil. Here it is very less vegetation, and it is found in the western part of every continent. Desert area found in western part of every continent. Suppose that in our India it is western part, Rajasthan. In Asia there is the Gobi desert. Okay, in Akatama desert there is a Sahara desert in South Africa, means African continent. So it is in every western part of the continents. And mountain soil it is found in the mountain region, especially in Himalaya range, and such type of soil is fine. Fine means very very small particles, fine particles. Marshy means it is, you can say that lack of you can say that excess of water, it is marshy. And porous means it is very good containing of water. So these are the types and distribution of soil.